Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 2025 Scrappy Tate Paulette's 12 Days of Christmas collab. Of course, it was hosted by her. Anyways, so these are all the participants that participated in this collab. You guys go over, check each and every one out. You guys are in for a treat. I can't wait to see what everybody has received. And don't forget to follow if you are not following them. You guys can't wait to see. Alrighty, we'll see you on our day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello everybody, we are down to number 8, you guys. Oh my goodness, I have been loving everything, and you guys, I've been watching everybody's videos, cute creations, and oh, this is so much fun. Oh, more charms in here. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have a little bowl in here somewhere. Actually, I have a ginger that somebody gifted me last year, somewhere around here. So how cute are these tags? If you guys know, oh my goodness, I still can't stop eyeing these. Anyways, so let's go ahead and go and check it out. And, oh my goodness, oh, this one came out easily. So please embrace the wrinkling. We'll definitely be using this. Oh, I love this box. Oh my goodness, this, I believe this is a KS Craft. I haven't seen, doesn't have, wait, am I looking at a wrong one? Oh, shoot. I will try to blur that out, you guys. Oh my goodness, I do apologize. It is a PO box, so hopefully there is no problem. So, oh my goodness, I just can't. You guys, I just love looking at everybody's creations. How everybody, oh my goodness, how cute is this? Love these. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead, and I love that she used this. It's the cocoa pouch. My favorite. I can't pull it out. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite. It's gonna be gone in seconds. So I did notice I still have this on the side. I was like, okay, what number is this? But it seems like it's an extra. Like, oh my goodness, it's just like a little goodie, everything. And I've been trying to avoid having to eat the Reese's Pieces. And oh my goodness, somebody knows me so well. I love this little bag too. Space, where did you get it? Because it's so cute. Anyways, okay, let's put that on the side. And look at her memory. Oh my goodness, her memory decks. OMG. So I'm not too sure. Oh my goodness. Where did you come up with all this? Oh my goodness. Okay, so oh my goodness. Look at her back topper. Love this. Oh my goodness, this poinsettia is amazing. And then oh my goodness, is this looks, it feels like maybe it's a little rubbery. Let me see, is it a sticker? Might be a sticker, but how cute is that? And this is a metal, not a metal, a wood gingerbread man. Look at the bowl. There's a candy cane back here, and look at the house. How cute. I love how she did this. Oh my goodness, it looks like so real. Like, oh, so cute. And of course, I will blur out her address just in case. I don't want to be like, yeah. So YouTube, she is youtube.com Stacyism. Of course, it's just Stace. I'll link her down. And you guys, oh my goodness, she did amazing. I love everything that she's been sending. And you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed everybody's videos. Don't forget to go over. I will link everybody down under the description below. So please go over and show everybody some love and support. And I do apologize if I'm not commenting back. I'm trying to put a heart that I've read your comments. Of course, work's been keeping me busy. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.